Have you ever seen this channel? Or this one? Or even this one? Well, take a look at their social blades. That doesn't look bad, right? So, you want to do that too? Well, I've got good news for you. Because, hey Lemonheads! Today, I'm going to show you how you can create a channel like that using AI. It is all very simple. So are you excited? Take your pen and paper in hand and let's go. Step 0. Creating your YouTube channel. It's really simple, guys. Just create a YouTube channel. I'm going to use this channel that I used in my previous tutorials. Let's go to the next step. Step 1. Branding. Yes, branding. This is the step where you will set yourself apart from the crowd. Utilizing this step to perfection will result in your channel gaining subscribers. So let's first ask ChatGPT for a name for the channel. Let's also give him some reference information as to what kind of name you are looking for. Let's pick this one, Penny Pincher Chronicles, and change the name and handle of our YouTube channel according to that. Let's also ask it for a channel description of our channel, and it should not be longer than 1,000 characters. Now it is time to create the visuals. In other words, we are going to create the channel logo, banner and watermark. We're going to use Canva for that, but you can obviously use any photo editing software. Go to the search bar and search for YouTube logo, and then choose blank. Now we need to add a Wojak to the logo. Let's go to wojakparadise.net. Here you can choose any Wojak you like. They are really doing an amazing job, so if you can, offer them a coffee. I'm going to download this doomer here. Now add the Wojak image to Canva and adjust the size. Let's change the background color by clicking on the background and then choosing a color. When you are done, click Share and then press Download twice. Let's upload this as our YouTube logo and our YouTube watermark. Next thing left to do is creating the channel banner. So let's go to Home and search for YouTube banner and click blank. Now let's add our channel name and change the background. I will use the same gradient color that I used in the logo. And again, we will go to wojakparadise.net to add some nice meme personas. Now add them to Canva. Now you can add some more stickers or leave it like it is. When you are ready, download it to your computer. Now just upload it to your YouTube channel. Now it is time we create the content. Step 2. Generating the script. Yes, now we are going to create a script. We could just ask ChatGPT straight away. But for better results, we first want to train it. So to do that, we go to a video of one of the Wojak channels and then we are going to copy the transcript. And then paste it into a Google Docs file. Do this also for a few different videos from the other Wojak channels. This will be reference material for ChatGPT. So now we're going to write to ChatGPT. Hey, I want to train you so that you can become my scriptwriter for my YouTube channel. To train you, I will give you some reference scripts. Do you understand me? And then, this is the first script. Please read and learn from it. If you are ready, just say it and I will send you the next one. Here is the script. Just do this a couple of times and then ask it to write a unique story script for your YouTube channel. And I've got to be honest, I had to ask several different questions to get the desired end result. Look at that. Here it is. Let's copy and paste it into Google Docs so it is more organized and we can edit it if we want to. Let's go to the next step. Step 3. Using text-to-speech. Now, it is time to make the dull script come to life with some AI text-to-speech. I made a whole video about the best free-to-use AI text-to-speech generators. So if you are looking for one, just check it out. Well, I'm going to use 11 labs for this endeavor. You can get 10,000 characters for free every month here, and they also have a $1 promotion plan right now. So that's not bad. I will choose a pre-made voice here.
Allow the world to live as it chooses, and logic will get you from A to B.
What worries you masters you?
There is a lot to choose from, but I will use this voice here for Wojak.
As an organizer, I start from where the world is, as it is, not as I would like it to be.
And enter the script text in the text box, and then press generate.
Why does life have to be so complicated? I feel like I'm always struggling.
Look at that. Now let's do that for all the texts, and also change the voice type for each different character. And don't forget to save the audio files to your computer. Let's head over to the next step. Step 4, accumulating visual content. Now we have to gather visual content for our video according to the script. We will, of course, use wojakparadise.net for the characters. And for the other images like backgrounds or other objects, we can use free stock websites like Pixabay or Pexels. When you've collected all the content, it is time for the next step. Step 5, editing your video. Now that we've got all the content, it is time we put it together and create a beautiful video. I'm going to use Sony Vegas, but you obviously can use any video editor of your choice. Now just import all the created content and start editing, putting everything in the right order according to the script. I will first start with putting the audio files in the correct order to get some structure. And to be honest, I collected all the visuals while editing. Now, if you want the characters to move, just add some keyframes and move the character. And while editing the video, you will undoubtedly come up with nice ideas, like adding some sound effects and background music. I just used the YouTube library for that. Also, for some nice effects, just search for great YouTube green screens. So yeah, again, just add visuals with audio according to the script, and make the characters move. And of course, add different Wojaks and Chads. The beauty of this kind of channel is that the story is more important than the editing. Well, the whole concept of those channels is that it is made with a low or zero budget. Hey, if you can hear me right now, type Yellow Elvis in the comments, and I will grant you a cookie. When you've got your video ready, just render it. Step 6, uploading your video. Now this is really easy. Upload the finished video to your YouTube channel. And now for the title, description and tags, we will use ChatGPT again. Step 7, creating your thumbnail. Now for the thumbnail, we are going to use Canva again. Just search for a YouTube thumbnail and start creating. Get creative and use your similar channels as a reference. Make sure it looks appealing to the target audience and is in line with the video content. This will be our thumbnail. Let's upload it to YouTube. Let's watch the end result together.
Why does life have to be so complicated? I feel like I'm always struggling.
Hey, buddy. I heard you've been feeling a bit down. Mind if I come in?
Chad, what are you doing here?
You know, Wojak, I've seen those memes of yours. You're not alone in feeling that way sometimes. Life can be tough.
You've seen my memes?
Yeah, but I also see something more in you. You have this ability to empathize with others and express your emotions.
I guess so. But it feels like the world expects me to be tough all the time.
That's the thing, Wojak. None of us are just one thing. We're all a mix of strengths and vulnerabilities. I may look confident, but I've had my moments of doubt too.
You mean it's okay to be both strong and vulnerable? To be like you and still have my moments of doubt?
Exactly. Life is about balance. Embrace your inner Chad and Wojak. It's what makes you human.
I used to think I had to be one or the other, but now I know it's about embracing all aspects of ourselves. We're in this together.
Hey, Wojak, I heard about the positive impact you've been making. You've come a long way.
Thanks, Chad. I've realized that life's about being authentic and supporting each other.
We've both learned a lot from each other, Wojak. It's a journey of self-discovery and growth.
Indeed, Chad, we're not just memes. We're complex individuals.
And that's it, Lemonheads. I hope you can now start on this amazing journey yourself. Have a lot of fun. Join the AI revolution and become a member. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye, Lemonheads.